everyone, I'm Wang Yufodan from Nanning Museum. Today I'm going to introduce you a marvelous cultural relic. The big stone shuffle is mainly distributed in the south region of Guangxi, so the archaeological experts are usually call them South Guangxi big stone shuffle. This big stone shuffle was apparently polished, so it has a very smooth surface. The initial type of big stone shuffles used to be practical tools, but later, as its shape and materials changed, the scholar assumed that the purpose of making big stone shuffle was turned into worship. Besides, some people found some big stone shuffles were placed in order and had a sign of fire. All this information implies that Nanning has a history of rice cropping for thousands of years. The big stone shuffles were the masterpieces of stone manufacturing in the Lingnan district. Even in the Southeast Asia,